Hi everyone, this is just a quick video showing you all how to disassemble your BYD Atto 3 smart key and to replace the internal battery. So let's get started. First, obviously you need the key. Hit the push button. Hold down that push and the mechanical key comes out. So you want to stick it in the other way and then you just want to kind of just yank it open. It feels a little violent, but I promise you this is the way it works. Pops open, okay, and then it just yanks open. So you have two pieces, one side with the circuit board, one side the rubber seal. Put the seal to the side. Okay, you'll notice on this end there is a little bit of a gap in the circuit board and the housing. Get your mechanical key and just use it as a little lever and it pops right open. Nice and simple, no prying, no nothing. And here's the battery to the back. It just slides out. And it just uses a standard sized CR2032 battery, okay? Nothing special. Goes back in, press the button to make sure it works. Right, everything works. Let's put it back in, only goes in one way. Stick it in from this side. Sometimes you do need to give it a... Okay, make sure it sits flush. Looks flush, and then lastly you just close it like this. It's all clips, so just push it together. Cool. And lastly, you put the smart key back, the mechanical key back. Make sure you press the button. Cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching.